Chapter 11.5 Producing Reports. The word report can be quite confusing. A dictionary definition is a document that gives information about an investigation or a piece of research. For the practical examinations, a report has this generic meaning, a document that gives information. This is often confused with the report created in Access. The report created in Access will often be the most suitable report for a task, but sometimes it may be better to produce a report in a word processor, copying and pasting information into a document. For each task, you will need to decide which method is the most suitable. Open the query, then click on Create, then Report Wizard. Then we can select how many we want. We'll select all. Next, next, next. We'll first selecting landscape. Then we'll put we can change it afterwards. Then we must click on modify, finish. So here we are going to this first we'll see how it is. It is like this, but we must organize everything. So we are going to design view. We're going to put the cars query in the middle. We're going to extend it more. Then we're going to click on all Ford cars in stock. After that it's done. So we must organize everything here so it will be okay in there. We're going to view. It's already okay, but still we can see here that it's not seeing it very well. So we're going back to design view. We're going to extend this. Then we're going to select this, move a bit that side so it will be easier to organize. But these two must always be aligned, because if you don't align them down there, it won't be aligned. So we'll put it here. Then we must click on those two. We can make it like this, push it backwards. Then the model, we must click on both, push them both backwards. The same to all. Put it backwards to organize it well. After that, we're going to make it in the same size. To this size. Then P price, P price. And push them both. You can leave it like this. You have the S price, push it back, leave it the same size. You have the year, you have this. So just increase it a bit. Access we must leave it a little big, because they may be very big. You can see we have more. We still have valet and pdate. We're going to extend it a bit. You can see if it's okay. Yeah, it's already okay, but you must still look at valet and pdate. We are going to extend it a bit and we'll do the same pdate. Yes. After that, we're going to see, as we can see, it's everything okay. We can assume this is like a report for someone, so we must put here a label. We create it, we put it here, we put it like request for done. We can just make it a little big. Then we must do the same to here, so we can create another one. We extend it a bit again to put another label for the header. Then we put label again. After that we're done. We're going to see, and you can see it here and here. After that we're going to close. First we're going to save. Then we're going to allow wheels, so we can do another report. We're going to create report wizard. We're going to put it on. We can take out, for example, pdate, next, next, next. This time we'll do it portrait, modify, finish. So here we're going to do the same thing. Push the wheels to here. Can extend it a bit, not a lot. Push it a bit to the middle. Let's put a header. So we click on label. So we'll put it here again. Request for done. That means, for example, make it a bit larger. But still we have so we must organize. So we're going to start by ID, bit more in the back, same size, then give a bit of space, going to put it until here, the same thing, then model, and put until the line. You must put all of them the same size, so in the report it will be all the same. So here we will push it a bit here, increase it a bit. We can go and see how it is. We still have the year. So then we will have to do the same thing with them. So we're going to move a bit till here. Do as price must be big, then the year, let's make it a bit bigger. Do the same thing for extras and for valet. We'll extend more because we need a bit more space. The valet here. Let's do the same thing here to extras. Then when you go into view, it's already okay. Exporting data. Sometimes whole reports, queries or the data within them need exporting into other packages to be manipulated as part of a report for someone or create a graph or chart. So then we will come in the report. We can go to export. If you want, we can go to Word. Word. Export. We can put in Word, but to open so you can see. So it opens in Word as a report. We can do the same thing for Excel. For example, we open here, export for Excel. But to see, we can open. Okay. then the word is the part of a square is done. We can also hide them by going to report view. We can hide, for example, we want to hide the p price. So we're going to here, then we go to the back color, we'll click it, for example, black. We're going to view, it's in black. But if you want to hide it, you have to change the font color, change it to black. We go back to there and it's hidden. For example, producing labels. You may be required to produce other forms of output from your database. For example, producing labels to advertise a product or address labels for mailing letters. For example, if you want to create labels, so we can go to create, go to labels, you must always put C 2166. Next, we can choose the font, we put it Calibri. Then we go back, we can choose the size. If you want, we can put normal, italic. You can choose a color, for example, I'll choose red. Next, here, ID, I put make, model, you can put the P price, you can put also the S price, put next, next, then finish. It's all okay.